Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to buy Bitcoin in Venmo in 2025. With advancements in fintech, Venmo has made it super easy to get your hands on Bitcoin without the hassle of traditional exchanges. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, why use Venmo for Bitcoin? By 2025, it's expected to offer seamless integration, lower fees, and enhanced security features, making it a convenient option for everyday users. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Ensure you have a Venmo account set up. If you don't, download the app from your phone's app store and create one with your email or phone number. Don't forget to verify your identity. Most platforms require this for crypto transactions to comply with regulations. Step 2. Link a payment method. Go to your settings and connect a bank account or debit card. This is crucial because you'll need funds to purchase Bitcoin. In 2025, Venmo might even allow direct links to digital wallets for smoother transfers. Step 3. Navigate to the crypto section. Look for the Invest or Crypto tab in the app. It's rumored to be front and center by then. Search for Bitcoin and check the current price and any associated fees. Always review these, as they can vary based on market conditions. Step 4. Place your order. Enter the amount you want to buy, double-check everything, and confirm the transaction. Venmo uses advanced encryption, so your details stay secure. Once done, your Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo wallet or linked account. A quick tip. Keep an eye on transaction times. With blockchain improvements by 2025, waits should be minimal, but network congestion can still happen. Also, remember to enable two-factor authentication for added protection against scams. Finally, after buying, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal wallet for long-term storage. Don't leave it all in Venmo. There you have it, folks. Buying Bitcoin on Venmo in 2025 is straightforward and accessible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Invest wisely and happy trading.